Oh, hey, this is one of those situations when I ask people online what they think I should make. Hmm. Suggestion. Oh, here's a good one. And I'm a big fan of your channel. I watch it all the time. I've seen in a few videos you made quesadillas and you made burritos. And in both of those videos, you said the tortillas were too big to fit inside the tortilla press. True. Now I'm wondering, when are you going to make something like tacos? Now tacos, the tortillas will be small enough to fit in the press. I'm sure you can figure it out because you're so smart and talented and handsome and actually I made that up. But I haven't made tacos on here. I haven't made tacos in a long time. In fact, I pulled out my taco recipe and it said I last updated it 2 years ago. But we're going to do that right now by making some turkey bacon breakfast tacos. That's right, I said turkey bacon breakfast tacos. Now, you don't see that in many menus. Good, that makes it even more innovative. Okay, obviously you have to get this bacon cooked, but before that, we're going to do a little bit of simple math. Now, the last time you saw me cook bacon was in that bacon cheeseburger lasagna video I just did. If you recall, I had 6 strips of bacon in that one, and this one we only have 2. Now, the easy way to figure out how to decrease the cook time for bacon in the oven, our handy dandy 350-degree oven, of course, is that, well, some simple subtraction. Now, I keep almost saying subtraction. That's not a word. Anyway, now simple subtraction, and 6 minus 2 is obviously 4, and those are the number of minutes we have to decrease. Thus, since I spent 15 minutes for the bacon for the 6 strips, for this one, we're going to have to bake them for 11 minutes. Did we just do that? Anyway, the thing is, turkey bacon is a lot leaner than pork bacon. Thus, it takes a lot less time to cook. I mean, if you overcook turkey bacon, not that you want to, it won't burn most of the time, but it will taste like a steak, and we don't want that. So what we're going to do is throw these in the oven for 9 minutes. So you remember the tortilla dough, of course. After I cut that in half, we're going to, what? Roll it out? No, you forgot about the tortilla press. Now, this setup may seem kind of odd to people. You'll notice I have some cooking spray on the top and flour at the bottom. Well, if you look at most tortilla presses are manufactured in a similar manner. And you know what? They don't always tell you this, but if you look online, places will say, hey, you should flour both ends. No, you should spray both ends. I've tried a few different ways, and believe it or not, it works best for me if I indeed spray the top and flour the bottom. Demonstrate. See how easily that comes off? Now you remember our scrambled cheese eggs, and what? From the chicken breakfast lasagna video. A lot of lasagna references, aren't there? Well, that is one of my top 3 favorite foods. Anyway, you were... Actually, those weren't cheese eggs. Those were just regular eggs. I added the cheese later. Well, you still cook them the same way. Now, what I'm about to do is crumble in the bacon we just made. And then the finishing touches. Top each tortilla with the mixture. And finally, topped it all off with lettuce and tomato. And I like to eat my tacos with a little bit of sour... What? Okay, you're right. That's not lettuce. That's spinach. Hey, I like spinach. Now, what? I said I like kale. I can't like kale and spinach? Now... cannot wait till I get rid of this long beard. Took too much of a bite again, but it was delicious. Actually, wait. I don't know why I take such a large bite of things sometimes. Anyway, this is delicious, and it's a good thing it's delicious because, well, if you follow my Instagram, then you don't. Why not? Anyway, if you follow my Instagram, you'll see all the pictures of all the foods I make. You'll see the picture of this, and won't be put together, but that's the other thing. Taking a picture of tacos is not an easy thing because, as you can see, tacos don't stand up on their own. I did get them to stand up, and you don't want to know how much I had to go through to get all that done. Anyway, that's gonna do it, and you know by now where to find the recipe. Thanks for being with me, and I'll see you again soon. What? Why didn't I end with a joke? What kind of joke? These are really excellent? Man, that's a really old joke. Yeah, you're right. The joke is probably older than I am. Oh, older than I am. Oh, I get it now.